A man discovers the unique process of making black ivory coffee only because elephant dung contains undigested coffee beans. However, these beans are fermented inside the elephant for 17 hours, which reduces bitterness and adds a nutty flavor. And although workers carefully extract these beans for processing, they are surprisingly expensive, costing about 10,000 yuan per kilogram. Yet the video also reveals how elephants drink water by storing it in their trunks before pouring it into their mouths. But newborn elephants struggle to use their heavy trunks, often tripping over them, until they eventually master this skill around 1 year old. Even though elephants seem invincible as adults, the comparison with tigers shows their unmatched strength, as no animal on earth can defeat them.